Hello there and welcome. Today I will show you how to solve simultaneous linear equation by Guass Seidel method. First of all, we're gonna separate the three variables of these three equations, x1, x2 and x3. And I would like to tell you that I have increased the playback speed in order to make the video less boring. Now, after making these three equations, we start our first iteration number 1. First of all, we assume that the values of x1, x2 and x3 are 1, 0 and 1. By plugging in the values, we get the value of x1 as 0.5, and then by plugging in the value of x3 and x1 in equation number 2, we get 4.9. Now from equation number 3, after plugging in the values of x2 and x1, we get 3.093. If you have any difficulty, you can pause the video and read it again more carefully. Now we can see that our new values of x1, x2 and x3 are 0.5, 4.9 and 3.0, while the older values are 101. Now we are finding the error percentage after first iteration. A1 is 100%, A2 is 100% also, and A3 is gonna be 67.66%. You can perform these calculations using your calculator. I did these calculations by using my scientific calculator. Now it's time to perform iteration number 2. First, we plug in the values of x2 and x3 in equation 1, which gives us 0.194. And then we plug in the values of x3 and x1 in equation number 2, which will give us x2 will be 3.7153 and x3 is gonna be 3.8118. And again, if you have any difficulty in watching this video, you can easily pause this and reread the page again and again in order to make your concept more clear, because without understanding the previous slide you cannot move forward. So our new values are 0.146 and x2 will be 3.71 and x3 will be 3.811. and our older values are as follows: 0.5, 4.9 and 3.09. Again we calculated error percentage, which gives us 240.61 A1 and 31.88 A2 and 18.87 A3. Now this shows that error percentage decreases rapidly after few iteration in this method. Now I have made columns to represent my number of iterations and my percentage error, and this chart shows that percentage error decreases after few iterations, and on 6th iteration it decreases to 0.74%. Okay, that's it. See ya. Take care. Allah Hafiz.